Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and freelance your way to video editing freedom with a platform that connects you with top-tier clients? First, let's prep your application. Toptal is selective. They want the best, and you will be applying to the platform itself. You'll need a rock-solid portfolio. Collect your best editing work showcasing diverse styles. Think corporate videos, showreels, short films. More variety, the better. Choose projects displaying your skills in transitions, color correction, audio mixing, and storytelling. Next, it's time to demonstrate. Creating a custom portfolio is vital. Set up a professional website or use platforms like Vimeo or YouTube to host your projects. Your website needs a clear, concise, and easy-to-navigate layout, including a reel, project descriptions, and high-quality project examples. Your showreel should be dynamic and highlight your strongest editing capabilities. Make sure each project is titled and described professionally, highlighting your role and the specific skills demonstrated. Now you're going to demonstrate. Show off your editing skills. Be ready to showcase specific skills, for example, color correction, audio mixing, the tools you use, and the techniques you master. The application involves an interview, a skills test, and a communication test. Find gigs. Once approved, browse Toptal's project board, a platform specifically designed for freelancing video creators. Filter based on your skills, budget, and time commitment, making sure your bids are competitive and address client needs. Thoroughly personalize your pitches, showcasing how the project suits your specialty and why your skill set will deliver exceptional results. Then submit your bid. Preparation is key. Practice your skills with different projects, refine your communication skills, craft a stellar portfolio, and you're ready to start your freelancing journey. Don't forget to keep learning and honing your skills as you edit,